Hey friends, welcome to Guide Health and Benefits. Today we will discuss what is an N95 respirator. Before we begin, we publish new content every day, so be subscribed to our channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification for the latest videos. What is an N95 respirator? N95 respirators are form-fitted to the size and shape of your face. Because they fit your face more snugly, there is less opportunity for airborne particles to leak in around the sides of the mask. N95s can also filtrate small airborne particles more effectively. Trusted sources. The key to an effective N95 is to ensure that it fits your face correctly. Healthcare practitioners who provide direct patient care are fit tested annually by a qualified professional to be sure their N95 fits them snugly. A properly fitted N95 respirator usually filtrates pathogens in the air much better than a surgical mask. Respirators that have been carefully tested and certified to carry the N95 designation can block up to 95% trusted source of tiny, 0.3 microns, dust particles. But they also have their limitations. However, the Food and Drug Administration, FDA trusted source doesn't recommend that the general public use N95 respirators to protect themselves from respiratory illnesses such as COVID-19. If worn without a snug fit, they can't filter out small airborne particles that cause illnesses. According to the FDA, the best way to prevent an infection is to avoid being exposed to the virus. It recommends practicing social distancing and frequent hand washing. The results of a 2016 systematic review trusted source and meta-analysis found no significant difference between N95 respirators and surgical masks when used by healthcare workers to prevent transmission of acute respiratory infections in clinical settings. A recent 2019 randomized clinical trial published in the journal JAMA supported these findings. N95 respirators and surgical masks are examples of personal protective equipment that are used to protect the wearer from airborne particles and from liquid contaminating the face. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC), National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health (NIOSH), and the Occupational Safety and Health Administration (OSHA) also regulate N95 respirators. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC) does not recommend that the general public wear N95 respirators to protect themselves from respiratory diseases, including coronavirus, COVID-19. Those are critical supplies that must continue to be reserved for healthcare workers and other medical first responders, as recommended by current CDC guidance. Thanks for watching it. If you want more videos like this, then subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification for the latest videos.